Okay, so here we are again in another video. Today it's going to be a pretty fast video, I think, because there was really nothing today. But yeah, as always, I want to explain what we had, just for you to understand um, how I analyze it and what I see. Okay. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna try to study a little bit later after this video, but well. So the XY, first of all, I was looking for continuations on the 50% FIBO level. We reached that, but it was pretty much out of timing, yeah. And then we had the continuation on New York. I'm not looking for any continuation on New York, so yeah, I'm just looking for reversals. EU, more or less the same, more practically we had the same price action here. We were last week and this week all the week ranging, and finally we broke this some sort of trend or whatever, and the price went up to take this previous weekly high. Not taking any, well, yeah, round equity on H4 here, but not taking any round equity or previous weekly low here. And well, I wanted to look for the continuation, but in this case, for example, well, the timing was properly, yeah, timing was good. The thing is that we had no round liquidity to the left really, and well, no break obstructor, and then we had the reversal before New York timing. Okay, GU, in this case we took the previous daily low, I think this afternoon, but it was late and it wasn't close to the ATR level, so yeah, I'm not looking for any trades here. Of course, I need to see at least a 50% move, 80% move from the ATR level. So if you like 80% from 75.2, it's maybe 60 pips, I think. Not sure, but I think it's 60 pips. So, and today we had maybe 57, so it was close but not enough, and I prefer it to be closer to the price, okay, even though it was out of timing. So yeah, however, whatever, I don't know. Use the JPY. In this case it was a little bit more confusing because we took this revenue equity H4 here. We had this movement that we took a trade yesterday here that it was a TP, and today we could have looked for a continuation to the downside, but the price was, yeah, out of timing. We had no really round equity on 5, maybe break is here. So maybe here we took, yeah, we took it, yeah. Maybe this round equity on 5, it's out of timing. Yeah, so no break obstructor, no trades for me here. Yeah. USDCHF, pretty simple. We took this round equity. We took this round equity on H4 to the left. We only had the opportunity to look for continuations on the 50% level and then look for some reversals here, but the price was inside the range. We had some round equity on F5 up here that it never took, so yeah, no trades for me in this case. And finally USD CAD. I expected to have something, maybe some trade here on USD CAD, but in the end we didn't have it. Arms. So we had a break obstructor here to the downside. This break really is here, but well, it's okay here. leaving some target equity on H4 to the upside. Then we had this previous daily high and previous daily low. The 50% FIBO level was here. So yeah, I could have looked for continuations, but we took the previous daily low this morning, and then we had the reversal here, which it's pretty nice. Well, 59.60, more or less 48 pips. I think it's the 80%. Here we open. Yeah, so we then arrive to the 80%, and well, we had the reversal here, and that's okay. And we target, well, in this case, it hit the 50%, and then it reversed again. So yeah, this is all. I had a trade open here on Intel, but I closed it. I don't know. I didn't feel okay with that. And well, this was my day. I hope you like it, and see you on Monday. I hope. Bye bye.